Hello friends, welcome to my channel concaveclutter.com. Hope you are all doing great. Last week you would have seen my living room tour. In continuation with that, today I am going to show you how to create a DIY wall hanging which is very colorful, vibrant and renter friendly. And the surprising part is that the whole cost is only 100 rupees. Hope you are all excited for the video. So let's see how we did it. I had this huge white wall staring at me on either side of the bedroom entrance. So I wanted to hang something without drilling holes on the walls, and the same DIY should create a beautiful symmetry on both sides of the walls. Also, I wanted to match my color theme. So let's see what all challenges I have this project. Number 1 is I should not drive nails. Number 2 is the DIY should be lightweight so that a simple sticky hook can hold them. And number 3 is it should be very colorful and vibrant. So the background of the white wall should do justice. And the fourth one, of course, it should be very cost effective. So I fixed the budget of rupees only 100 for both sides of the DIY. So without wasting much time, let's get started. After going through a lot of designs, I finalized on this simple one and created a template with the leftover chart paper. It is just simple straight lines with equal intervals, and I created a V shape on the bottom part to give it a sharp look. Creating the template is very important because I wanted the DIY on both sides to be in the same measurement. Next, let's see what we need to create this simple DIY. I am using the twigs of neem tree to suspend the pom-poms. I always love to bring in a piece of nature into my home wherever possible, hence the neem tree twigs. You can also substitute any twigs of any tree, also any straight lined material. The idea is to have a straight line to hang the pom-poms. The other materials are displayed on the screen. You can pause the video and take notes, or you can also pause and take a screenshot. My mom was the total inspiration behind this DIY. She was the one who suggested the idea of hanging pom-poms since I needed a lightweight option. She helped me making these pom-poms. This is a very self-explanatory tutorial, so I will just keep quiet and let you watch it in peace. I have all the materials with me now. The first step is to measure and cut the twigs according to the size of the horizontal line in the template. The second step is to create a row of vertical lines of the woolen threads to tie the pom-poms at the end of the thread. Again, I am using the template as a guide to tie the woolen threads to the neem stick. Let's see the third step. I have completed tying the woolen threads vertically. Now I am going to tie the pom-poms to the lower end of these woolen threads. Fourth step, I am going to stick these small mirror pieces to add a touch of glam and glitz to this DIY. This is purely optional. I wanted to do it, so I am going ahead. First, I am placing these mirror pieces to see if they are in the right places. Then I am using the Fevi-Stick strong glue to stick these mirrors above the wooden sticks. These mirror pieces does the job of hiding the knots on the neem stick. You can substitute with any fancy craft material, and it totally depends on your creativity and how you want your DIY wall hanging to look. I have stuck these sticky hooks on the wall, and I have rested the neem stick with the pom-pom hanging below on these hooks. I have also added peacock feathers on the head of the hooks to hide the top part. I choose silver hooks to blend well with the mirror pieces. So that's it. My DIY wall hanging is now ready to add beauty and elegance to my living room. This whole DIY costed me only ₹100. Now I'm very happy that I found a beautiful solution for all my decor challenges. If you like this do-it-yourself wall hanging and other organizational content, please comment, share and like this video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for all the notifications of my new videos. Thanks a lot for watching. This is Sangeetha signing off from conquerclutter.com. Take care. Bye bye.